Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change color of the text in Squarespace. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're gonna use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, of course, here I'm using Brave, and for you, you can use any other possibly working browser. So let's just go here into Squarespace directly. So here you would like to go and create your account, of course, if it's your first time using the website. But if it's not your first time, like me, all you need to do, click here at your icon, and it will actually takes you into your dashboard where you gonna find your testing like website. So let me just go to one of them to show you exactly how to change a color on or using Squarespace. So here I would like to go and click at the edit button here, and this will actually takes me into the edit section of the website. So of course, if you don't have a text on your website like that, you would like first of all to create an add section, add blank section, and let's just wait a bit until they add the blank section. So as you can see, it will be added right now. Wait, yeah, as you can see, here is it. Here you would like to click at add block, and here you maybe would like to click at text. So here I'm just going to write test or like random things, and now all I need to do is just go select this and click at this text color. Of course, here you can use this 3 from here, or you can click on custom and choose whatever color you want, of course by this numbers or by choosing from here. So this will be actually for the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.